Okay, that's the chimney. Like, see, there's my wood burning stove. There's my choppers. There's my wet feet. Look at this. This is what I'm dealing with. There's nothing I can do about it now. That's my new lawnmower. Look at that son of a bitch. Those are cans I'm gonna leave outside for scrappers. And look, this is where my garage is flooding. What the hell is that? Nothing I could do about it right now. Lots of stuff was on the ground that shouldn't have been. But it'll help me sort things out later, right? Look at that sweet chopper. Yep, there we go.